Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2008 Jeep Grand Cherokee and I will show you how to remove and replace the power window switch. This video will apply to Jeep Grand Cherokees made from 2005 all the way up to 2010. Okay, so in my case I got the replacement switch from a car salvage. You can do something like that as well. That is the cheapest option. If not, you can buy OEM new one from a Jeep dealership, or you can probably get the aftermarket one as well. But like I said, I paid this like 15 bucks. That's why I got it. Okay, so there is actually no screws holding this switch. You will just have a bunch of plastic tabs. So you'll have two right here and one on the top. And then you have two here on the bottom as well. So that means all you have to do, you have to pry this switch out by pushing in the right spots. Now the best tool to use would be something like this, a plastic trim remover. That way you won't make damage to the plastic around it. If you don't have it, you can also use a flat screwdriver, but then just be a bit more careful. Okay, now this is not the easiest thing to do because the edge of this switch is actually tucked under this door panel. So what I had to do, I had to pry it with one hand and try to pull the switch towards myself with the other hand. And now once you get it out, you'll have a couple of connectors to disconnect. Okay, this one popped out already, but there is like a tab on top of it you want to push. This one here. There's also a tab just here on the side. I hope you can see it, which you have to push and then just pull it out. And same thing goes with this one, right? Tab on top, you want to push and disconnect. And that's it. Yeah, for some reason this black cable is really short, so it's kind of awkward to pull it out or even to plug it in. But that's the idea, right? You have to pop it out and then unplug all the wires, and that's it. Okay, so I will also show you here, since I have a hard time plugging this guy back in, so I was able to get a bit more space from it. So what I did, I've actually cut these pieces out so I can pull these wires a bit more. Then I pulled pretty much on all the wires kind of up to give me enough space to be able to plug it in. Okay, now once everything is plugged in, you can just pop the switch into its place. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.